The world of work was once again revolutionized when DJI launched the new enterprise flagship platform, the Matrice 300 RTK. With the new Zenmuse P1, unlock more of its potential. The P1 integrates a full-frame camera with interchangeable fixed-focus lenses on a 3-axis stabilized gimbal. It is an efficient, accurate payload designed for photogrammetry. For the first time, DJI uses a full-frame sensor with more microns in each pixel to give you higher image quality. At 45 megapixels and with short shooting intervals, the camera can capture high-resolution images of large areas in short flights. In just 4 flights, 140 minutes. Collect data for 10 kilometers squared of 2D orthomosaics. What's more, the P1 syncs time across the camera, gimbal, flight controller, and RTK module to deliver centimeter-level accurate data. Its global mechanical shutter with a shutter speed of 1/2000th seconds prevents the jello effect, keeping images crisp even during high-speed flights while meeting accuracy requirements of 1:500 scale cadastral surveys. Thanks to the flexible 3-axis gimbal, Smart Oblique Capture simplifies oblique photography for you to quickly generate highly accurate 3D models. In areas with elevation changes, flight paths that follow the terrain let you fly safely while improving the accuracy of data outputs.